Just a real quick video on doing the Prius Gen 2 2004 2009 HID, like the Xenon, high intensity discharge lamp conversion. So what I have here is the original, came with the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and remove, already disassembled. And these two, the turn signal and running light, you'll just want to unplug, move those out of the way, switch the bulbs over to the halogen assembly, headlight assembly. This top plug is the low beam, bottom is the high beam, and there's a connector here for the actuator. So that actuator plug, you're going to want to tape that up, seal that up really good, because that's not going to be used. And then with the low beam, you have, and this side's the red, and the high beam is the orange. The whites are the neutral. And with your connector for the H4 HB3 9003 bulbs, the bottom's low beam, the right is high beam, and it's kind of like looking at it like this. Low beam, high beam, and then that's the neutral. So your colors get to vary depending on where you're getting that connector from. So that's it.